Welcome. In this video you're going to learn how to make the blanket stitch, and this is one of my favourite pieces of fabric you can make with crochet. It's got this gorgeous texture and it's got a bit of movement to it. It's gorgeous. So I've used a 4mm hook with DK yarn, but if you wanted to make this, would be really nice for a baby blanket, I would recommend using a slightly bigger hook to give it a bit of a softer drape. So we're going to start off to make this sample. We're going to start off with a slip knot and we're going to chain 20. Yeah. Oops. Chain 21, sorry, chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And we're going to start in the third chain from the hook. We're going to make 2 US doubles, UK trebles. That's 1 and that's 2. We're then going to skip 2. Sorry, I'm just trying to, yeah, we're going to skip 2. So we're working in the third stitch along. We're going to make a US single, UK double, and then 2 US doubles, UK trebles in that same space. Oops. This first round is always a bit tricky working into the chain spaces, but once you're on the second round it gets a lot easier. So then going to skip 2 and go in with a US single, UK double, and then 2 US doubles, UK trebles. So that's your repeat. Skip 2 and 1 little stitch and then 2 of the sort of standard stitches. And we're going to go all the way along to the end until we get to the last stitch. Yeah, so skip 2, US single, UK double, and then 2 US doubles, UK trebles. Oops. Skip 2, US single, UK double, and then 2 US doubles, UK trebles. And I'm just coming up to my last stitch. So we're going to skip 2, and then in that last stitch we just do 1 little stitch. So that's a US single, UK double. Yeah, and we're at the end of the row. And then what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2. And turn our work. We're going to make 2 US doubles, UK trebles in that first stitch. 1, 2. We're then going to skip 2 stitches, yeah, so that we're going into the single, US single, UK double from the first round. So we're going to do a US single, UK double, and then in that same stitch 2 US doubles, UK trebles. And then going to skip along to the next US single, UK double, and make a single or a UK double, and then 2 US doubles, UK trebles. And that's your repeat. Yeah, I'm just going to keep going with you until the end of this row. So into the skip 2 and then a US single, UK double, and 2 US doubles, UK trebles. Skip 2, 1 US single, UK double, 2 US doubles, UK trebles in the same space. Yeah. So when you get to your last stitch, what we're actually going to do is we're going to make a US single, UK double in the chain space. Yeah. And then we chain 2, turn the work, and we make 2 US doubles, UK trebles in that first stitch. And then repeat along to the end. Remember, when you get to the end, you do the US single, UK double in the chain space, turn your work, and 2 US doubles, UK trebles in the first stitch. And I'll see you in the next video.